So today I'm going to attempt to do green apple candy apples. Now, I never did this before, but I wanted to try it, so I decided to do a video. You know what? With this stay-at-home order, y'all gonna get a whole lot of random things from me, so don't be surprised. And this is one of them, okay? So, with no further ado, let's jump right into this video. Alright, to start off, I have 7 wax-free apples, which I have a video on how I remove the wax from my apples. I have 7 bling sticks here, which I also have a video on how I made my bling sticks. I have my candy thermometer. I have a food brush, cup of water. I have green apple flavoring, some silver dust, green leaf food coloring, just some white food coloring, 3 cups of sugar, a half a cup of light Karo syrup, and a pot. Let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna start off by adding my 3 cups of sugar, one cup of water, half a cup of Karo syrup, light Karo syrup that is. So I'm just going to stir this really good. I have not turned my eye on yet. I'm just getting my ingredients mixed together. I want my water, my sugar, and my corn syrup to get mixed together really good. Now I'm gonna add my food coloring. Just trying to get it open here. So I have my green leaf food coloring here. I'm just gonna open it. Put a couple of drops in there. 1, 2. Let's see what 2 drops do, because I don't want it too dark. Ooh, that's a pretty green. Just mix it really good. I still see some dark spots in there. Oh yeah, we could have really did 1 drop, but we got 2 drops in there. That's good. So it's a pretty green, and I'm gonna drop some white in there just to enhance it. I hope it don't make it too light. So the white is just to lighten it up, brighten it up a little bit if it was too dark for you. Or if you was trying to get like a certain color, like mostly like a blues and pinks, you will use the white. But I put it in there just to lighten it up. So this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to take my candy thermometer and I'm gonna put it over in my mixture. Now that we have got our candy mixture together, I turned my eye on high and I have my candy thermometer in there, and I'm gonna wait until it get to 250 degrees, and then that's when I will add my green apple flavoring. So while that is reaching its temperature, I'm just gonna go on and add my bling sticks to my candy apple, which if you haven't noticed, I gonna put them in upside down just because they sit better when they upside down. So I'm just gonna stick the bling sticks right in the center of the apple. Really easy. So I have all of my candy apples sticks in, and once my mixture reaches 250, I will be back. Our candy mixture has reached 250, so I'm just gonna add a couple of drops of our green apple flavor. I'm gonna give that a little stir. It smells so good. Next, what I'm going to do is allow it to cook and reach 300 degrees. Once it reaches 300 degrees, I'll be back. Our candy mixture has reached 300. So just gonna give it a little stir. And we're going to prepare to dip. So I'm going to take my first candy apple. I'm going to put it in. And I'm going to give it a spin. Covering the apple completely. Hope you guys can see that. Try not to scrape the bottom too hard, but you just want to get some of the excess candy off so that it's not running. And I'll place it on a pan. I will show you guys in a few as soon as I finish dipping onto my second candy apple. All of our apples has been dipped. As you can see, they are bubble free. Turn it this way so y'all can see. They are bubble free. They look good. They came out wonderful. Like, I'm super excited for this to be my first time. I think I did like a really good job. I know it's little stuff that, like this one how I was running out of candy, so I didn't get it all the way to the top like I wanted to. But for the most part, it came out really good. I'm excited. I'm satisfied. Now on to the next step. This next part, because it can get messy, I'm gonna have to do it over the sink. So I just added some of my luster dust in a little container here. Pearl dust, I'm sorry. This is what I have. So I just added it to a little container here. And I have some lemon extract that I'm going to add in there as well. So just a drop. Mix it up. Might need a little more than that. Okay, I think that might do it. Just a tad more. Whoa, all right. Okay, so with that, I'm just gonna set this on the back of my sink right there, and I'm gonna take my candy apple and I'm just gonna splash it on my candy apples. Like I said, this part can be messy. That's why you do it over your sink. Our candy apples has been slashed with silver. So overall, I think I did pretty good. I know the more I do it, the better I would get. But for this to be my first time, like, I'm really excited how they turned out. Better than what I thought. And I would definitely be doing it again. But this is our end results. Yes, they came out pretty good for my first try. Okay, I will be doing these again. Maybe not this kind or this flavor, but I will be doing these again. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. Don't get tired of me yet. Stay tuned. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment below and tell me what you think about this video. Also, if you haven't subscribed, go and subscribe, okay? Also, make sure your bell is on so that you won't miss an upload. Simple. But anyways, I love you guys. Until the next time, until the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.